Hello again, my loves, Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Color Rush Studio design team. It is my second design team project for the month of May using the lovely May kit. Full unboxing on the video. Check that out. We got some Wild West vibes. It was using the Cartabella Farmhouse and Cowgirl collections. So I've got these two photos of me and the hubs at what's the name of that cemetery in Deadwood. Well, I totally just had like a massive brain fartage on that, but I've got a landscape and a portrait, so we're gonna use all the fun pieces. I want to use this to mat. And we're going to do full 4x6s. Mount Moriah, name of the cemetery. Eventually it comes to me. We're going to use this gorgeous background here. Of all this very fun, very lovely Cartabella paper. And then we're going to do... I don't know why I was doing that weird. Cut that to 6, and then I just have to trim just a smidge off the photos. So I'm just going to take 1/4 of an inch off there and 1/4 of an inch off there. And then because my husband did a really good job of centering me, so we're going to have a pretty thick border. I know it doesn't seem like that with only 1/4 of an inch, but yes, it will be a nice thick border. Drop my readers down. I've just accepted that they're not going to be able to fix my vision, so we're going to embrace the readers. Okay. Oh, bumbos. Apologize. All right, let's try that again, right? Because, you know, neighbors in their own yard. Bumbies just can't believe it. All right, so I do have those on there. I went through the ephemera pack and pulled out these things here. I do have this little strip. I was thinking, I don't know, maybe I can do something with this. I don't know, so we're just going to tuck it over there. And I want to use the floral bits. So I'm just going to start playing around, giving it a... I think I'll just put the title there. What do we want to do the title? That was such a walk. Let's just do... I mean, it was like a serious uphill battle that was horrible. I mean, like, people were paying to ride buses, and we were just like, oh, we'll be fine. We didn't even get to see Bullock because he was way up there. But that is where Wild Bill, Calamity Jane, Bullock, all kinds of other people are laid to rest. I'm simply just going to title this one The Walk because, oh man, I used all the L's. Just trying to figure out, we'll use a P. Okay, I'm just gonna, whoa. I was afraid that was gonna happen, but that's okay. I feel like I won't use as many P's as, you know, you would think, right? So we got the walk. Never know when I might need that. Okay. And kind of like that. So let's build a little cluster down here. I like this saying because it says 2 hearts, 1 love, and a whole lot of country. Okay. I don't know what I just threw down there, but it'll be okay. We're going to take this little bit of, and all I do is I just twist it like that. So I take it like this, and I just fold in on itself. And then we are going to put it there. That way you don't get the back of the ribbon, right? And we're going to come in. I always do 3 staples. It's a thing. And then we're going to tuck this guy. Come on. Right here. And he's going to create our next cluster, so that's probably not going to get used. I'm going to pop this up on some foam. My husband's out burning. Because it's like all the neighbors are out. Everybody, it has just been rain after rain after rain after rain. It has not stopped raining here in quite some time. Let's go ahead and put our little howdy. And then we're going to do this one the same way. We just bend it in, and I made it smaller because it's a smaller little vibe we got going there. And then we're just gonna get that one on there as well. Just stick that there. Trim this guy up. Use that frame again somewhere else. We can get that stuck. Maybe. If it will let me. Let's get that stuck there as kind of a base. I will save that because, as you can see, you can use the little pieces over and over. And get this one stuck here. Okay. And then I pulled out all of this stuff because it's fun. I was just making sure it wasn't a sticker. I've done that before on things where they were stickers and I didn't know it. So we're just going to use liquid glue. We're just going to tuck him right there. And then we're going to get this one up here. And then And this one we're going to put up over here. I love putting things on pictures. And then I want to use the little cowboy boots too because they are so stinking cute. Put him there. And this one, let's do right on top of that. Make it part of the howdy. Okay. So I used up that pack. I've got a hair that keeps hitting my arm. Ow. And that's annoying me. I just stabbed myself. Alright. I have had so much fun playing with this kit. Put that one there, and we can put this big one. Do we like that? No, I think I'm going to put the little one down here because I don't really want to cover the guitar up all that much. We'll save the bigger one for a different layout. Let's get this guy right over here because I like him. Or do we want to put him over here? Nope, I like him with that. Okay. Just so he nestles in there. And then these cute little bows. Pink ones. We're going to put this one right over here. And let's get this one. And we'll put it right here. And then it was probably not my best laid idea to do that. I should have just grabbed my little sequin dish, but I didn't. Then we're going to use these little guys. Just for a little uh-oh. I knew I had another one. Do you love how I was like, hey, all of a sudden life starts to make sense for me. Yep. I thought there was 3, but it was sitting and I lost it. So I'm gonna use my little jewel picker. And let's come in with these cute little stars that are in the sequin mix. And who doesn't love a good sequin mix? We'll just get those on there. And that's gonna do it, you guys. That is gonna be the layout for today. If I could get these sequins. I will have all the links for Color Rush Studio down below. Please check them out. You can purchase stuff a la carte. You get these fabulously curated kits. They are fun, fabulous, and awesome. All the bits and pieces, everything just is so much fun. All the puffy stuff, all the faux leather. It's like just gorge. So that's going to do it for today's layout. I want to thank you so much. Don't forget to do all the fun YouTubey things like subscribe, check out Color Rush Studio, and I will see you next month in June. Can you believe it? We are almost halfway through the year. Where has 2025 gone? The older I get, the more I say that. And we will see what that kit holds. Summertime fun, I bet. So I will see you guys later. Bye.